Hey folks, welcome to Outdoors 406. Today we're going to go out on the Yellowstone with a boat I purchased here recently. Do a little catfishing, maybe do a little smallmouth bass fishing. The river came down a lot from last week. I've only had this boat out about twice. It's a jet boat, so I can run up the river in shallow water. So let's get going. Admit that was not the best launch. It's really tough right here. It's either deep and really swift or it's shallow, so I kind of chose it's a little shallower actually than what I thought it was going to be right there. But anyway, we're warming up the motor here, getting ready. We'll take off, go upriver here, see if we can do a little catfishing. The water's like cleared up a lot from a week ago and came down a lot. It was, I think the water was at 11,700 cubic feet per 3 seconds, I think it said last week, and it's all the way down to below 8,000 now, so should be good. This spot's pretty deep. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's about 7 feet right now, 8 feet. And it's real slack water off of the channel. Water's a little warmer. It's off the main channel over here. So I've caught a few in here. So I'm going to pull in here quietly and see if I can't catch a catfish here. Got my rod here. I'm using a dip bait that I just started using, and it's worked pretty good. I think it's going to work a lot better in the summertime. Just gob it on there. Using a treble hook with just a piece of tubing that I cut holes in that stuff goes up into, and just kind of does that. We'll throw it out here and see what we get. So get it out in that deep hole, let that scent go downstream into this hole below me. See how that goes. And got one more here. Guess I need to tip that camera up a little bit, but for right now, the Wind's out of the east today, which I don't like to fish in an east wind. Never had much luck in an east wind on most things. And I just kind of started catfishing last year, and I haven't really done much at all with rods, mostly all set lines. So it's kind of new to me, so we'll see what happens here. But I have been out twice and used this bait, and caught several 4-pounders and a 5-pounder, and so it's been pretty good. If they're here, they'll bite. They're just sitting here waiting for a bite. Been here about 15 minutes. If I don't get a bite here pretty quick, I'm going to roll up and go a little further up in this little backwater. See if the water's warmer, if it's holding fish up in there. I want to just take a couple minutes while the fishing's slow and just thank everybody for watching my videos. And for those who have subscribed to my channel, thanks so much for supporting me. I will be getting a few more videos out on a regular basis, hopefully in the next couple months. I've just had a lot going on. I unfortunately have to work for a living, otherwise I'd be out doing a lot more of this. I'll be doing more catfishing now that I've got this boat. I can get out and set lines, and we can get some good footage of catching some catfish overnight, as well as from the bank like this. I haven't done much of this bank fishing during the daytime, but I've been out just twice for just a couple hours at a time and picked up 3 or 4 fish. So it does work, this dip bait that I'm using. I'm just anxious to use it when the weather gets warm. I will be doing a few coyote hunts this summer. Last year my brother and I went out in July, I think it was, for one trip, and we were out for 2 days. We called up 32 coyotes and killed 18, I think it was. So hopefully we can get out here in the next couple months and get a couple good hunts filmed and get them out to you. So anyway, I'll get back to my fishing, and we'll see if we can snag something yet today. Well, it's time to go home. I had a fun day out on the river with my boat. Got to run up and down quite a ways and just kind of test everything out. This is only, I think, the 2nd or 3rd time I've had it out on the water, and just getting used to it. So far I really like it. It's exactly what I wanted for doing catfishing and fishing where I fish. It just gets me out and gets me to places I can't go without a boat. So no fish today, no bites, but just a great day to be on the water. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and close this video out. Thanks for watching, and I'll have some more videos coming in the future.